Mark Chop Wednesday, everybody. We dang near blew all the way through the day. I know my hair's messed up because I've been been scratching my head all day. Show you what I'm doing. Not that. Drago. He thinks it's quitting time. It's close, but it ain't there yet, is it, Draggy? He wishes it was. Been working on TCAA Show 2025. Been a lot going on, a lot of pinstriping, and holy cow, over and over and over again. But I'm kind of excited about it. Got the silver and got the gold. And as y'all can see, got stuff laid out here, and we'll have some more silver and gold in there. And there's the drawing. Lots going on there. The engraving on it's not going to be too overly complicated. Just mostly a lot of inlays and visual impact stuff going on. So an old traditional California style shank. Circle bit, Ernie called it, something like that. I'm not sure what the actual traditional name for it is, but if Ernie says it's circle bit, then Ernie's right. Ernie Marsh, that's who I'm referring to. Anyhow, now I'm looking here under the scope. Got it all set up. I'm gonna do a Patreon here in a minute, showing how I got this little vise, angle vise, and putting it under there. Got my little piece of leather, put it there, and then holding it and filing it and carrying on. So that'll be Patreon here in a minute. It'll be public too, if y'all are interested in seeing what's going on. When I say public, you can choose how your posts are viewed, public or paid ones. I have my paid customers that the pro cards, they get something every day. So every day I'm in the shop, so they get a lot. And then I have what they call permit holders, and they get one twice. You get two Tuesdays and Thursdays, and everybody gets it on Wednesday. So anyhow, for $10 a month you get 3, and for $5 a month you get 5. And yeah, so on and so forth. It's all good. Podcast this morning, not this morning. Going to record one in the morning for next week. Maybe y'all listen to Clint Mortensen. That was fun, talking about old Clyde, the buffalo, and what all Clyde's got Clint into. That was pretty entertaining and listening. And then his movie stuff, that he's his movie town, and man, Clint's all the time out there doing all kinds of cool stuff. So if y'all hadn't listened to the podcast, Monday Mornings with Carrie and Willie on Spotify, go check that out as well. Did finish a pair of Spurs, little simple guys. It wasn't nothing special. Finished those at the first of the week, and we'll get them gone here pretty soon. What else I got? I need to post a picture of those guys. Eli's over here. Look at him, the Wonder Chicken.
Painting on metal. You ever painted on metal?
Eli's painting on metal. He's doing a little. Let me see if I can zoom in. We're gonna have to. Oh yeah. He's got game scene stuff going on, sculpting in his leaves, and I don't know what all. It's pretty cool though, as usual. Eli's doing the deal. Proud of him. What else? What else y'all want to know about? I don't know anything. It's all. I've been sitting right there, staring through that damn thing. So the communication thing is a little off. I'll try to schedule a little earlier next week so that I'm a little chirpier, know what's going on. But anyhow, y'all have a good one. Tune in to Patreon. Go to the podcast. What else? I don't know. It's all good. We'll see y'all soon. Adios.